Nigeria's economic future remains a topic of global conversation, and the call for structural reform is getting louder. At a forum in Lagos State, German lawmaker Ahmad Zon joined key players in stressing the need for accelerated growth, despite the persistent challenges facing the nation's economy. Senior correspondent Sharon Ijaso has details.
The discussion surrounding Nigeria's economic outlook for 2025 continues to generate interest at both local and international levels. At the Frederick Ibach Steam Fungo meeting, Ahmad Zon emphasized the importance of fostering a thriving global community.
When we're looking at global landscape right now, we understand that there are a lot of countries out there on the way to economic development that will play a very important role in the next decades. And we also understood that maybe the way Germany, and especially the European Union, or let's say certain of our neighbors have been doing trade in the last years and decades wasn't really fair, to be honest. But we are rather looking forward to have a collaboration, to have a partnership where people in Nigeria, people in Germany, but also across the globe will benefit from this kind of partnership.
Our partners said that the effects are also very strongly visible and have affected people's lives. That is the floating of the naira, which has led to a depreciation, and also the removal of the fuel subsidy, which led to a price hike regarding fuel, and then subsequently many other goods, including food.
Guest lecturer Professor Wale Ogunkola from the University of Ibadan analyzed the Nigerian economy projecting moderate growth despite persistent challenges such as inflation, fiscal pressure, and structural constraints.
If we must develop, we are not looking for moderate growth. We need a quantum leap. We need growth rate that is higher, much higher than population growth rate. If we need space at all, we can reduce population growth rate and we have enough for us. Let us assume that we can reduce that, then we should be more productive.
The situation is very bad, but I believe with our resilience and consistent shouting and talking to them, I believe, and government listening to the voice of the people, I think there should be a better thing that will happen in our sector.
The event concluded with a consensus on the urgent need for structural transformation, including reforms in the production landscape and the institutionalization of economic rebasing every 5 years. Sharon Ijaso, TVC News.